In this video, I am continuing the lesson resources and their types. We'll see the other classification of resources. Resources based on availability. So what is availability? The amount of or quantity of resources available on earth. Some resources are getting depleted because we have been using it for a long time and it is very excessive use also. Some resources we continuously get it. So these are the two types. So one is renewable resource, the other one is non-renewable. The renewable resources, we get it again and again. It will not be decreasing. We keep getting. The non-renewable is, the availability is limited. So, when we are using it more and more, what happens? At one point of time, there will not be that particular resource available. So, this is non-renewable. For example, we have been seeing in automobile industry, the vehicles are driven by various sources of energy. So petrol, diesel, and today you find electric. Then in some countries we find solar powered engines also. Why do you find these changes? What is a need for finding out an alternate energy? Because it is getting exhausted. So when one goes out of not available, then what happens? We invent another one. So we use the other one. So this is what happening today in the world. So non-renewable resources are very much required for today's need. Then now we'll see which are non-renewable and which are renewable. So renewable resources, you find solar energy. The sun shines every day. We get energy from sun and it is not limited in quantity. So that is renewable. Then water. Water is available. Clear? Though nowadays we find shortage of water. Yes, that we will discuss in the other half of the lesson. How to conserve resources. So you find when you generate electricity, but we continue the usage of water. There is no wastage of water. We use the water continuously, even after generating the electricity. Wind energy, it is renewable. You keep getting it. So these are all renewable resources. The non-renewable, the coal, it's very available in a very less quantity today in the whole world, which cannot be made by a human being. So it is not renewable because it's a fossil fuel. Then you find same thing applicable to other minerals also, which cannot be made by human beings. And since we have been using it for a longer time, the resource is becoming very, very, very less. So these are all non-renewable resources. So there is a renewable and non-renewable resources will be dealt in detail in the next part of the lesson.